Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick guide I will show you how to fix slow disk usage on stream so you gamers or games download and install faster. So let's get right into it. So first of all, you just need to be pause and resume. Like first try the simple fix. Pause and resume your download. Sometimes this reset the disk QQ and fix any temporary hives. So I will go over here account details and I will be here. So now I will talk about the next process, that clear download cache. So next you just need to be clear your download cache. You just need to click on to the Steam. Once you click over here, then you will get to see the setting. Then just click over here and you just need to come over here to the download. Once you come over here, then you just need to be hit this clear cache. This often fixes stuck and slow downloads, and then check drive and turn off antivirus. So if you have any antivirus in your PC, you just need to check that your drive is not almost full of fragmented. If you are using an HDD defragment, it also temporarily disable your antivirus and add Steam as an exception. Sometimes antivirus slows down disk writers. Now we are going to talk about change download region. So if I come over here to the setting again, so finally try changing your download region. So if I go over to the download here, you can see our download region is India, Kolkata. So you just need to select it as the first country like UK, US, whatever, you can choose it. So you just need to select that, and I hope that problem will be dissolved after completing this. And you just need to be reset the stream, and that's it. This is a quick step should fix your slow disk usage on Steam. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more gaming tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you next time.